Hola, Mrs. Beth here with instructions on how to create a Jamboard. To create a Jamboard, first thing you're gonna do is go to My Drive. That means your drive, my drive. You know what I mean. And then you're gonna click New. You're gonna find in the apps the Google Jamboard. You click right there. When you get there, you can select. Well, this is what it shows, a blank. But then you can select one of the backgrounds. I'm going to select this one for my example, and then I'm going to explain the tools that you have here. You have tools that you can use to create your Jamboard. So in this tool you have different choices. You have a pen. I'm going to choose the white pen. It is new for me, so I just explore. It doesn't make Okay, it didn't look that good. Let me erase it because I didn't like how this look. So I'm going to erase this. And I'm going back to complete my word. Not that better, but okay. Okay, so I also have the option of a marker. It's just a little thicker. Then I have this that is a highlighter that is thicker. And then I have a brush that is the thickest. Okay, so you have those options in this first tool. Then you already saw how I use the eraser. And now we have the sticky note. I love the sticky note because you can stick stuff there in different colors. You can choose your favorite color to make the sticky note. And put different things in your Jamboard. Okay, so you have different sticky notes. All right. Now our next tool is very useful for your projects because you can add images. You just need to type what you're looking for. Right. And then select the image you want, and it's gonna be here. And you can make your image very small or big. So let's put the image right here. And if you're gonna add a label to your image, you just need to add a text box right here. Oh. Ah, wrong one. Telefono. Okay. So you have the label for that one. This is to make circles. So for example, this is my example. I created this one just as an example. In these circles, I made them like this. I went with this tool, and it has different shapes. So you can use, I'm gonna use a circle. And to make a circle, I do this. I can make a circle, or I can make an oval. And my oval can change directions. Okay. But also, if I want to include a square, so instead of having, I can make a square, I can make a rectangle. And if I want to write something here, I just use the same tool that I use for this one and put a little box here. And it will be inside. This laser is for when you are making presentation. For example, if I want to show you, okay guys, I show you how the pen writes, how the highlighter, how the brush, how the marker does, and here are your sticky notes, and here are your shapes, and your words, and your image. So you know it just goes and disappears. All right, I hope you find this helpful for your projects, and please let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you. Adios.